Welcome back to today's video. So here's the deal. Okay, I decided to decorate for Christmas, obviously. And I really don't want to hear anything about you already decorated for Christmas. Like, yes, I did. Thank you so much. Because I don't spend 8 hours doing my room for Christmas to only enjoy it for 30 days. Okay. Now, if you want to be Sour Patch about this and not be happy for me, that's fine. But that negativity is not welcome here. Thank you so much. Anyway, that's off topic. For today's video, I thought I would film a talk through chit chat get ready with me. I love these videos because they're a little more relaxing for me to film. It's not so much about the tutorial and the makeup. It's rather just me talking about whatever I want to talk about. I just posted one of these with Zoe, but let's be real. There was really no talking about makeup in that video or anything of substance. We were just being ourselves. I thought it would be a good idea if I just filmed one of these and talked maybe a little bit more about makeup and a little bit less of a hot mess. Even though I can't guarantee much, I will try. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on into this hot mess. This great hot mess. We're such a mess. Alright, so first I'm going to start with my skin today. And fun fact, I've been using Kylie Jenner skincare and it hasn't made my life perfect. I'm not going to give Kylie Skin a negative review, but all I have to say is it's bogus advertisement. No, I'm just kidding. I do really like her skincare. I was going to make a whole... Whoa. I was going to make a whole video on it, but it didn't happen. It didn't work out. Anyway, I'm going to use the Becca Skin Love Glow Shield Prime and Set Mist Spray. I wonder what this is going to do for me. It kind of smells like a really diluted Bath & Body Works cucumber spray. Do they still make that? That used to be my thing back in the day. For my foundation today, I'm going to go... Why do I do that? I mix going and coin together. Going. For my foundation, I'm going to mix the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Soft Luminous Foundation and then the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. My brush! Ow! Okay, now that I have my foundation on, sorry if the lighting looks a little wonky. I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Cream Contour Palette and take this shade down here and just apply a little bit to the hollows of my face. Alright, then I've never tried this product either. This is the Becca Skin Love Glow Enhance Glow Nectar Brightening Hydra Complex. Okay. I am going to put this on my sponge, just a little because I don't know what's going to happen, and then I'm going to use this as like a highlight. Whoa. Oh, wow, I love it. I'm going to conceal my under eye with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And then I'm just going to blend this out on my under eye. Then I'm going to set that with the Stila, I believe it's the Illuminating Powder Foundation. Then just once more, I'm going to go back in with that Glow Primer and just spray my face once more. And then I'm going to tap it in with a sponge. Okay, then for my bronzer, I'm going to try to use the Morphe Glamour Bronze Icon Bronzer. What I mean by try is, as you can tell, it's very orange. Also, let's talk about videos, shall we? Because as most of you know, I just finished doing my Halloween videos for the year. And can I just say that those videos took the very life out of me? Which I mean, I think is fitting because, you know, Halloween, death. That's what you think of? And what is Halloween, honestly? Personally, I think it's stupid. I mean, yeah, I mean, I do. I think it's fun for kids to dress up and get candy, and I used to love to do that. But in general, the whole idea in itself is kind of stupid. Go to people's houses, you get free candy. I mean, it's mixed with greed and greed. I mean, kids are greedy. Kids these days, very greedy and very selfish and opinionated. Anyway, but for Halloween, it was fun to kind of put my creativity into those videos. Although they didn't get many views at all, I don't really care about that because even if I wasn't on YouTube, I would probably still make these videos. I've always loved making content and videos. I just now have a place to put them, and it's awesome that at least a few of you out there do like to watch them. I really, really appreciate it. Obviously, I can tell that my recreations get more views, but I don't just solely want to do recreations just to get views, because ultimately I only like doing recreations once in a while because it's not that hard in my opinion. I just look at a picture and recreate a look. Like, I feel like I want to just be able able to do my own content mixed in with recreating what others have already done. I hope you're following along here. But in the idea of that, like, I really do like my recreations, and I know that many out there do as well. But I do try to incorporate videos like this, that are just me and my own looks and my own personality, and not recreating someone else's. Hope that makes sense. None of you asked, but you know, thought I would just fill you in. And I definitely have done more look recreations recently because I do enjoy them. Other people enjoy them. They do help my channel grow, but I always want to remember to just do what I enjoy here, which is why I did my Halloween videos, because I personally like to be creative, and for Halloween it's generally pretty acceptable to do out there content, you know, which is why I still posted those videos, because they were definitely fun to create. Even if I didn't post it on YouTube, I would have still done it because I love being creative. Although I might add, those videos took me about 6 hours to film each. I don't know why everything takes me forever. Also, while I'm at it, I'm gonna apply a little bit of this to my crease just to warm it up and tie it together a little bit. As for future content, very excited. I don't know what it's going to be. There will be some recreations in there, I'm just gonna let you know. But the Christmas season, obviously, if you can't tell, I absolutely love Christmas. Who doesn't, right? The exciting part about this year is Grammy and I know Grammy, you love her here on YouTube, we all do. I usually get to see Grammy for Christmas. She usually comes here to our house for about a week and a half, and that's when we usually film our like once a year video, because unfortunately we live about 14 hours apart from each other. I only get to see her a few times a year, so when I do get to see her, we always try to make it a point to film something together. And so the exciting part is, instead of her coming to our house, our whole family here is going to see both of my grandparents. We're gonna stay a few days after Christmas there, but then my whole family is going back home, and I am staying by myself with them for a whole week after everyone goes home. So the fact that I'm going to be with her so much, I'm really hoping to get out several videos with her. That's my hope. If not, I know we'll definitely film stuff and be together and enjoy it, but they just might not end up on YouTube. Anyway, now I'm going to clean everything up with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. I'm just going to leave that powder there for a little bit. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to try to use the Too Faced Pretty Mess palette. I'm going to apply the pink in my crease. Then I think I'm just gonna put very little of this one right here, and I'm just going to put a little of this in my crease. I'm just applying some of those shades that I use in my crease on my lower lash line. Oh, I kind of like it. It's super light, but I think I'm okay with it. Then I think I'm gonna try to put this on, which is the Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome Cream Eyeshadow. I just get the product off of here and then put it on my eyelid, just because I feel like it's a little bit easier to apply and you get a more like defined application. Then I'm going to try to set that a little bit with this pink shimmer in the palette. Okay, and then actually off camera, I put a little bit of this color right here, which is this shimmery purple, and I put it on my outer corners. Moving forward, I want to put some lashes on. These are really pretty. Guess what? I don't know what they are. Dobby. I'm gonna put these on. They're in a Lily Lashes box, but I know, well, I don't know, but I'm pretty certain they're not from Lily Lashes. I'm just going to put these on real quick, and then I'll be back to highlight and do my brows. Okay, so now I'm going to definitely fill in my eyebrows. Then just to add some brightness, I'm going to take a white eyeliner and put this in my waterline. Then just some mascara on my lower eyelashes. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Balm Mary Luminizer. I've been really loving this lately. It's so beautiful. Mine's busted, but it's still gorgeous. And I'm also going to put just a little bit of this on my inner corner. I'm going to apply a MAC lipstick. This was their Nicki Minaj collection, the pink print. And then I'm going to top it with a Morphe lip gloss in Boho. I've been loving this. It's so beautiful. Alright, and here is the finished look. I personally love this look. I don't think I've ever actually done anything quite like this. I don't think so, and I really, really like it. And I'm glad I tried something different today. Anyway, that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.